Hi campers, welcome back to 30-second beer reviews again. As you all know, beer reviews that don't take 30 seconds, they take way longer because I talk too much shit. Today we're going to do Sawmill Brewery's The Doctor. Smooth dark lager with shades of chocolate and a full malt aroma, rich, complex and balanced. Like I said in the last review, I'm not a fan of dark beers, so picking this up may have been a mistake. I might regret it, but we'll see. It's not all about me, it's about the beer. So as we've reviewed Sawmill before, they're a Warkworth brewery based at Matakana, which is south of Whangarei, and they do some really good beers. So this is the Doctor. I'm picking it's the Saw Doctor maybe, but anyway, let's have a look. Am I going to regret it? Oh yes, I'm going to regret this. See how dark that is. It's like pouring Coca-Cola into a glass. It looks like Coke. You'll notice I've got a bigger glass today so I can fit everything in. It's a 500ml bottle, 6.5. Yeah, so that's the pour. Yep, I know I'm going to regret this, but let's give it a shot anyway, because we're all about giving people chances. Let's have a go. Wow, pleasantly surprised. It goes down really easy. For a dark, it's not that hasn't got too much of a malty sort of flavour. You can taste it there. There's definitely, you can get that that sort of malt on the back of your tongue. No, I like that. Like, if I'm honest, I wouldn't buy it as a regular or anything, because it's different. But yeah, I'd buy it again. I'll put it this way: if there was a choice between this and that the last one we did, the Manaia one, I'd pick the Doctor every time. Quite a good brew. So there you go. This is probably one of the shortest ones we've ever done. Yeah, we'll catch you next time.